Bonjour friends, and happy French Friday to you. We are going to be taking a little break today from renovating our historic property here in France, and we are going to be headed off to the thrift store. So I thought it'd be fun to take you along with me today. But first, before we head off to the thrift store, I thought it'd be fun to share with you these adorable sheep that are right on the edge of our little village that we live in. And there's actually a bike and walking path that goes right through between where the sheep are, and they're on both sides of the walking and bike path. So I just thought it would be fun to share that with you. And if you like sheep like I do, I thought you might enjoy it. I just think they are so cute. We also came across a chateau on our way to the thrift store, and so I thought I would share this with you as well. And I was familiar with it, and maybe you are too, but it's called Escape to the Dream Restoring the Chateau. And I will leave the name on the screen if you want to check out their YouTube channel. Okay, we've just arrived at the thrift store, so let's go check it out. We're going to take a look at the things on the outside first, and then we'll head on inside. We are going to be on the hunt for a few different things that we need for our new place in France, and one of the things we are looking for is a smaller dining room table and some chairs. And the only catch is that it's got to be able to fit into our rental car. Um, so that's the only thing. It's the chairs and table, everything would have to fit into our small SUV rental that we have. So we'll see what we find, and if not, we will just continue looking if we can't find something that we really like here. We are also going to be on the lookout for some dishes for our kitchen. And the other thing I want to check out to see if they have any lighting here. So I'm hoping to find some pretty chandeliers for our new place as well. I don't really know what colors I want to do in our new place yet, but I do love this plate with the sheep on it and the French country scene. I also love this castle plate. I think this is really pretty. Just can't resist a plate with the chateau on it. So even though like I said, I don't know what colors I'm going to be doing in our new place yet, I guess I could always put it for sale in the shop as well if I end up deciding to do something different. I thought they had some beautiful large pieces in here for sale, like the large French armoires and this large furniture piece here with the beautiful carvings. I just thought this was gorgeous. And for the price, I couldn't believe the price either on this piece. Just the details and the carvings, just beautiful. And they just don't make furniture like this anymore. It looks to be 120 euros. I don't know if you could see that on camera very well or not. This was a really cute table, but when we took the doors off the top of it, it had quite a bit of damage on top. And the table with the bench was really cute as well, but too long to fit into our vehicle.